I am honestly not feeling it whatsoever. Who did they make this cap for? This is not, it's nowhere near medium or big head friendly. This cap size is like for a baby. If it doesn't fit, you must have quit. This is not cute, you guys.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Lose some sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, wig updates, everyday slays, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this mess of a thing that is on my head. Like, it may look cute from a distance, but like, let me just tell you guys that I am not a fan of this unit whatsoever. I will never ever pick this unit up again. I am so beyond disappointed. So this unit is from the Sensational Lace collection. I'm wearing it in the color number 1B and the style Zelena. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, then just stay tuned for this video.
Stepping in circles and turning around, prepping the hurdles and learning the bounds, building them up to keep burning them down, filling the cup, seeking, hurting to drown, spilling enough certain you won't be found. Ain't no regretting, I'm sweating it out. Don't go forgetting and setting my crown down on the ground, cause I came to astound. Feeling myself, it's appealing profound, healing my health and appearing aloud, stealing your ceilings, my head's in the clouds, feeling my fate, I'm immersing my sound, fearing the hate to create the compound, dealing with clearing the negatives out. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town, dropping you stay so you know I'm around. Stop where you lay, devastating your ground. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Drop you stay so you know I'm around.
Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Feed off negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the
Okay, I'm stepping inside your house, betting I'm kicking my feet on your couch, checking your cushions and clearing you out, setting my dishes up under your spouse, standing your bedding and wearing it out, messing your threading and airing it out. I've been expelling and came here to gouge, letting you sweat your regret with a slouch. Came out the dirty, no Oscar the grouch. I'm disrespecting and spreading my clouds, dreading I'm flexing in front of your spouse, getting you pressed like a fruit by the ounce, testing your patience and stressing you out, vetting your basement and testing your doubt. Rip up your pavement, I'm tearing this down, give up a statement and smearing you now.
So this is a Sensational Lace, so you do get your 13x6 parting space, you do get your pre-plucked frontal and all that goodness going on, you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. I am honestly not feeling it whatsoever. Who did they make this cap for? This is not, it's nowhere near medium or big head friendly. I usually wear my units with a wig grip band. I can't wear the wig grip band with this. I also cannot wear the stocking cap with this, so I just have my natural hair out underneath, braided up, and y'all, this unit is tiny. This cap size is like for a baby. I am severely disappointed. This was such a waste of money. I'm so disappointed. Honey, this is an absolute mess. Like, it starts back here. Like, I don't know whose head this was supposed to fit. This thing is absolutely small, and there was nothing that I could do to get it to sit forward on my head. I tried gluing it down multiple times and it just kept sliding back and sliding back and sliding back. This cap size is tiny. I honestly would say stray away from this, because I feel like the only way this is fitting you is if you have a baby sized head. Like, I mean, the texture I'm not really the biggest fan of either. It's like a tiny bit light Yaki, but it definitely has some silkiness going on with it. I feel like it looks cute, like I was saying, from a distance. It probably looks like, oh, okay, like that's cute, but no. Like, if your unit does not fit your head, what is the point of wearing it? Because honestly, at this point, I feel like this is a 3/4 unit. Like, might as well be a half wig. Like, I should just slide it back or pull my own hair out in the front. Like, I am beyond disappointed with this unit, to the point where I didn't even go in and style it like I normally do, because I feel like, what is the point? All the styles are gonna look crazy. Like, if it doesn't fit right, like, if it doesn't fit, you must have quit. This is not cute, you guys. Like, the density on this is, I want to say 150. It's definitely not thin, but it's not too thick either. And I know you guys can see it all over my face, just the level of disappointed I am, because look at this card. Like, it looks super cute on the card. I wish they just let us know, like, this is made for children. Like, this was such a waste of money. The length on this is coming just below my boobs. Like I said, I'm wearing it in the color 1B. Let me just give you a 360 of this atrocious mess. And this is honestly one of the reasons why I started doing reviews, because I'm so sick of seeing big YouTubers out there talking about, oh, this unit's great, it's wonderful, it feels good, it looks good, it's small, big, medium, head friendly. Like, honey, this one, I guarantee 100%, it is not. It is not. I have a head that's on the smaller size, and if my head's not fitting it, honey, if you have a medium size head or a large size head, do not, I repeat, do not spend your money on this. Do not. You, no matter how it looks, I mean, unless you're gonna turn it into a half or 3/4 wig, go ahead, do your thing. But I'm telling you, there's plenty of other ones out there that will fit your head better, that are worth the price. It's cute looking, and I like the length. The density is nice, the texture is okay, but like, no, the cap, like, what did you guys do? I just wanted to honestly come to you guys with this video to let you know what you're getting yourself into if you do purchase this unit. Don't do it to yourself. Do not be me. Do not be me. Use this as a cautionary tale. Do not do it to yourself. Some of these cards be playing us, making us think, oh, it's gonna be cute, it's looking really cute. No, not worth it. Not worth it. So anyways, I hope this review was honestly helpful for you guys. I wish I had seen one like this before I picked this up, because if I did, I obviously would not have grabbed it. Anyways, that's all I have to say about this unit. If you like this video, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.